This one, yeah. I have also another coffee machine there. It's Graph. Yes, I'm always using it. I'm using it in my events. And this is a double boiler and thermoblock. Yeah, so you can make, if you're going to switch on, it's like in 2 minutes it's already hot, and then you can make the same time steaming and making brewing coffee, espresso. But you cannot make you cannot have hot water at the same time making espresso or something like this. But this one and this one you can make at the same time, but hot water, no. Yeah, there's also single shot, double shot. You can also program it with this. Yeah, and also you can also program the steam pressure with the level 1, so beginner, and then also amateur, pro, something like this. Yeah, this is really good. And I have also